Hello everyone and welcome to another webinar by Royal Cyber. My name is Amar Nadeem and I'm a Senior Business Development Executive at Royal Cyber and I'll be your host for today. Before I start, if anyone is not able to view my screen or hear me properly, kindly notify me in the chat window located on the right side of the pane. Once again, if no one's able to hear me or view my screen properly, do notify us on the chat window located on the right side of the pane. Now for a start, I want to talk about how IBM Sterling Order Management System actively engage call center users to understand each customer as an individual and get all relevant customer information in a single view and also access that information from a single application. The Sterling Management System enables you to make better decisions about how to promise and fulfill customers' order, resulting in improved profitability and customer satisfaction. Before we start, we have a great speaker with us as always, but first I would like to talk a little about Royal Cyber. Moving on, Royal Cyber is an IBM Premier Business Partner, and our inception in 2002. We've been partners with IBM since 2002, since our inception. We have headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, and we have a global footprint in North America, Asia, Europe, Africa, and in the Middle East region. We have done a plethora of implementations across the world in terms of IBM Sterling Order Management and other IBM product suites. As always, we have a great speaker with us. Let me introduce you to our speaker for today, Mr. Sumit Arora. Mr. Sumit has 9 years of experience in the IT industry. He is currently a technical architect at Royal Cyber. Sumit develops a Sterling OMS assets and has successfully implemented OMS in healthcare and retail industry. And without any further ado, let me hand it over to Mr. Sumit.
Thanks, Amar. Good afternoon, everyone. Before we get started, I have a quick word about webcast. We are live and interactive today. We welcome your questions and feedback and urge you to take part as much as possible. We will do our best to answer your question during Q&A session of webinar. So let's start with the presentation. So first, we are moving ahead with a little bit knowledge on this Sterling OMS. So IBM Sterling Order Management System provides a centralized inventory, order promising, and fulfillment hub to support omnichannel capability. IBM Sterling Order Management enable you to make better decisions about how to promise and fulfill customer order, resulting in improved profitability and customer satisfaction. For today's session, we are going to cover IBM Sterling Call Center of Commerce application, which initially introduced in Sterling 9.3 and later on it improved in 9.4, and now we have latest version with upgraded version with Sterling 9.5. So here is a little bit architecture of how Sterling OMS work with upcoming new feature of Sterling OMS. With a call center. Earlier we have seen like we have another webinar like for Sterling Store Web. Now Sterling is OMS integrated with call center and store web and other features. In the diagram, if you can see, we have an integrated call center of commerce implementation design here, where call center of commerce application integrated with Sterling OMS with different functionalities. It get payment information, order. It consider as an order taking channel, and we can basically we have promising server and ordering server. So as part of call center of commerce, we can take it as ordering server, where it integrates with Sterling OMS a different functionality, to get pricing detail and order detail and payment detail as well. So why we need a Sterling call center of commerce? We have seen like many retailers spend a lot of time actively engaging their customer via ads, promotion, physically store design, but still end up falling short when their customer call into their call center because CSR do not have right tool, visibility, and information at their fingertips. Customer always expect the inventory information that they view to be accurate, their orders to deliver to correct address, and the promised delivery dates to be met. IBM Sterling Call Center application provide which will enable your CSRs to engage and help your customer better. Call Center utilize a platform shared across several key IBM technologies, including IBM Sterling and Selling Fulfillment Solution and Sterling Network Warehouse Management System. Because of this, many of the key feature of platform are shared with the call center product, which is rich functionality, robust product suite, robust user interface, handle alerts, perform search, execute order tasks, execute customer tasks, perform user management tasks, and deliver tasks and return order tasks. So here I'm going to give demo on Sterling. We have prepared one demo environment where we can see how Sterling Call Center of Commerce works in a real-time scenario. So before we go into demo, we have some screenshots. Yeah. So I'm going to start Sterling Call Center of Commerce application. Before this call center of commerce center application, we have RCP tool named as call center of commerce of RCP, where we have separate tool which built on RCP, and now Sterling IBM introduced that the same functionality in a web version where we can customize it through like Dojo plugin, and it introduced with Dojo. And to customize it, we need to customize it. We need to know how we can customize Dojo. So here we are just going to give you a demo on how we can create order. We have, as you can see, in call center of commerce, we have several tasks which is provided as out-of-box feature by Sterling, like order search, customer search, alert, product, return, user, and price match. So for today's demo, we configure product search and how we can create order through call center of commerce application. So here in product tab, I'm going to find product. If you can see, we have on left panel we have categories where we have all categories of product. So to make it enable, like where we can see the hierarchy of product categories, we configure search index, and by running search index, we can enable catalog view in call center of commerce application. So for this demo, we are using out-of-box feature of reference data of Aurora eSite. And we have run already prepare a search index to enable this catalog enable on call center of commerce application. For today's demo, I configured 2 items which is there in stock. So here we have a list of items. Some are out of stock and some are in stock. So we have RTM agent, which is out-of-box feature of real-time, which provides real-time availability monitor. We need to run that agent after adjusting item inventory through application console or through adjust inventory. So so that that item will be will be available and will be visible in stock after RTM run. Here I'm going to select one item to create an order. For this demo, I have already set up one user, and I already configured ship to and bill to information for the same user, which is required to place an order through call center commerce application. Here you can see several services which is we have already used in Sterling OMS is enabled here, where we can directly use it, change to pickup, change address, change level of service. Here we have option to add payment method or promotion code, which is implicitly take input from Sterling OMS. As of now, I'm giving cash on delivery. So once I am going to confirm this order, that order will be created in Sterling. This is the order number. So you can see that order is getting created in Sterling OMS. So the main feature is for this application is to help call center associates to create an order when customer call to their call center, and to provide correct information when that order going to be delivered, or what is the current status of that order. So if we go to order search, here we have list of orders, which provides the status of current status of any order. Like if we select this order, so the current status of that order is released. So whenever a customer call to their call center, so customer service representative can give correct information, which is direct. That order fulfillment part is directly integrated with call center of commerce application. So it's directly taking input from OMS database. So by invoking API, so it has internal architecture. So it's directly pointing to Sterling OMS database. So a customer service representative have correct information with current updated detail, so that that call center of commerce application is really very good, and it's really help call center customer care representative to provide real-time inventory picture and current status of order or any other task which we can add here, or like like refund. It also support refund, and it also provides some adding some services like delivery services and providing services. So this is a demo, and I'm going to hand over the rest of the session to Amar. Amar.
Thank you, Mr. Sumit. As you guys see in the demo, we're going to move on to our question and answer session. If you guys have any questions, you guys can feel free to ask us right now. We will be unmuting all you guys. So if anyone has any questions, kindly do so. Guys, if you guys have any questions, you can correspond to us via chat or you can ask us. You have been unmuted right now. If you guys don't have any questions, you guys can email us at info@royalcyber.com. If you can move to the next slide. If you guys have any information you guys like to require from us, you can email us at info@royalcyber.com. For any technical support, you can email us at support@royalcyber.com. Once again, thank you for joining this webinar on OMS and have a great day. Thank you and bye-bye.